Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rohan and you guys are watching Rohan's Creations. So as we all know that our channel just completed 10,000 subscribers. It's actually 12k now. So I'm thankful to all of you. But अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं और आपने मेरे चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, subscribe it now and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram account. I'll provide the link in the description below. Let's start.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. No,
watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video with your friends and family. Bye.